See next, tan 1 into tan 89 product, that means 1 plus plus tan 4 dot means multiply tan 86. Similarly make pair 4 plus 89 91 plus we can see sine square 17 plus sine square 73. 17 plus 73 is 90. So again by sine square series rule it is 1. So then plus 1. So answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means now see next, sine bracket 2 by 1 into 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 into dash dash dash. This is into x plus 1 by x minus 1 is 1. Then what is the value of x? Sine 2 by 1 into 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 into dash 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 x by x minus 1 is equal to 1. Then what is the value of x? Right? The previous term of this is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. As we can see, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Right? Another point is diagonally they cancel out. So finally we get sine x is equal to 1. That is equal to sine x is equal to 90. So this becomes x is equal to 90. My final answer. Right? If secant theta plus tan theta is 2, then what is sine theta? Before solving this, we have to create some basic. We have to create a basic rule. That is, ये basic rule जो if secant theta plus tan theta is a, then secant theta minus tan theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Another standard identity is this. So if we find secant square theta, it is 1 plus tan square theta. If we find secant theta, make under root of this. It is 1 plus tan square theta. Got it? If we find tan theta, so send 10 to right and 1 to left. It is secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta, tan square theta, and secant square theta minus 1 under the root is my tan theta. Another important thing is it is a square minus b square. So can I write it as secant theta plus tan theta a plus b and secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So product of two things is 1, so they are reciprocal to each other. Fine. So can I write, if important one is if secant theta plus tan theta is a, then secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by a. Important for us. If secant theta plus tan theta is given and we require secant theta minus tan theta, so make reciprocal a then 1 by a, and vice versa. If secant theta minus tan theta is given, then make reciprocal and we get secant theta plus tan theta. एक दूसरे का reversible है, एक दूसरे का reciprocal है. Right? With this basic we can solve this question easily. Right? Let's see how. So given to us secant theta plus tan theta is 2. So secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by 2. So adding these two equations, we get tan theta cancel out. 2 sec theta is 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Got it? Now sec theta is 5 by 2 and this 2 becomes here, it is 5 by 4. Then we have to find sine theta. So make a right angle triangle ABC and this is theta. Sec theta becomes hypotenuse by base. So it is 5, 4 use Pythagoras and it becomes 3, else 3 4 5, you know it. What is sine theta then? Sine theta is 3 by 5 as perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So your sine theta is 3 by 5 is my final answer. Secant theta plus tan theta is P, then cos theta plus sine theta is what? So we know that if secant theta plus tan theta is P, so can I write secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by P? Adding these two, cancel out tan theta. 2 sec theta is P plus 1 by P. That means take LCM P, it is P square plus 1. Got it? What is sec theta then? It is P square plus 1 by 2P. Hope you understand. Now make a right angle triangle, right angle at B and this angle be theta, and see properly. Secant theta is hypotenuse by base, so it is P square plus 1 and base is 2P. So by using Pythagoras we can find AB P square minus 1 as P square plus 1 square minus 2p square and under the root this is P square minus 1. So from here what is cos theta? Cos theta is 2p, a reversible of this 2p by P square plus 1. Okay, got it? What is sine theta? It is P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. That means perpendicular AB by hypotenuse AC. Now put here, it is 2P by P square plus 1 plus sine theta is P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Got it? Next point is P square plus 1, because LCM is same, so it is 2P plus P square minus 1. Sin 30 plus 2 cos square 45 plus 3 sin 30, 4 cos square 45 and so on. 19 sin 30 plus 20 cos square 45. Sin के साथ एंगल 30 रहता है, cos के साथ एंगल 45 and cos is in square. So we know sin 30 is 1 by 2. Again cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2 ही होगा, right? So एंगल sin 30 and एंगल cos square 45 से हमने ये डिक्लेयर किया. So it becomes 1 by 2. Can I write it as 1 into, so 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 and dash. It is 19 into 1 by 2 plus 20 into 1 by 2. ये कन्वर्ट हो गया. टेक 1 by 2 कॉमन, सो सब जगह से 1 by 2 कॉमन. 1 plus 2 plus plus 19 plus 20 बन गया, right? 1 by 2, it is the sum of natural number, that is n plus 1 by 2 and n is 20 here. Okay, so it is 20 into 21 by 2, 20 into 21 by 2 into 2, 4, 5. It is 105 is my answer. Before doing this question, we have to do sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. When we need sin A plus B, we will use this formula. If it is sin A minus B, then this becomes minus. So there are two formulas, sin A plus B, A minus B. And if we make cos A plus B, it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. माइनस के लिए प्लस और प्लस के लिए माइनस, प्लस के लिए माइनस, माइनस के लिए प्लस, तो देर आर 4 formulas now. Now 10a plus b, 10a plus b, this is 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. If it is 10a minus b, then it is 10a minus 10b and 1 plus 10a 10b बन जाएगा. So there are 3 plus 3 यानी 6 formulas हुआ. Now for 10 we are doing some special things. Say 10 45 plus x. A means 45. This becomes 10a plus 10b 1 minus 10a and 10b. So it becomes 10 45 is 1. So 1 plus 10x divided by 1 minus again 10 45 is 1, 10x. So 10 45 plus x, 10 45 plus x is equal to 1 plus 10x and 1 minus 10x, right? If we compare this given question with this formula, so it becomes 10 45 plus x, x is 35, that means 35, that is again equal to 10 80. If theta plus phi is 45, then 1 plus 10 theta bracket 1 plus 10 phi is equal to what, right? So let theta plus phi is equal to 45. We need 10. So operate 10 on both sides, right? Now this is a plus b, 10a plus b. It is 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a, 10b is equal to 1 because 10 45 is 1. Send this here. So 10 theta plus 10 phi is equal to 1 minus 10 theta into 10 phi. But we have to find this. So multiply 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 10 phi, it is 10 phi. Done. 10 theta into 1 plus 10 theta plus 10 theta into 10 phi is 10 theta into 10 phi. But see this, it is 10 phi plus 10 theta and we have 10 theta plus 10 phi is the value. So put this value, it becomes 1 plus 10 phi 10 theta की जगह 1 minus 10 theta into 10 phi and plus next is 10 theta into 10 phi, right? It is plus, it is minus, cancel out, 1 plus 1, that means 2 is our answer. Finally, let's see our part. Theta plus phi, we are given that theta plus phi is 45 degree. Then we have to find 1 plus 10 theta bracket 1 plus 10 phi. So if we put theta is equal to 45 comma phi is equal to 0. So theta is 45 and phi is 0. So it becomes 1 plus 1 because 10 45 is 1 and bracket 1 plus 10 0 is 0. It becomes 1 plus 1 2 into 1 plus 0 is 1. So from here answer is again true, right? For first calculation in exam we can see we can put theta as 45 and phi 0 and reverse also, theta 0 phi 45 and get the same answer. Before doing this, again we have to make some basic. So 10 15 is equal to 10 45 minus 30 degree. This basic is useful for these type of questions. 10 15 is 10a minus b, 45 minus 30. So write a minus b formula, 10 45 minus 10 30 divided by 1 plus 10 45 and 10 30. Again it is 1 minus 10 45 is 1, 10 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 10 45 is 1 and 1 by root 3. Take LCM, upper side it is root 3 and root 3 minus 1. Now lower side also root 3 and root 3 plus 1, right? Hope you understand. Now root 3 and root 3 get cancelled and it is under root 3 divided by under root 3 plus 1. But do rationalize. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1 square by a plus b, a minus b, that is root 3 square minus 1 square. Again equal to, say, a minus b whole square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 square 3, 3 minus 1, it is 2, right? Again see here 10 15 is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common from upper side, 2 minus root 3 by 2 cancel out. This is finally 2 minus under root 3. This is my 10 15, right? But we have to remember 15 value for sine, cos, tan, cot as well, and 75 also. How we can create? Say 10 15 45 minus 30. If it is 75, 15 in place of 15 it is 75, so it is 45 plus 30 and remains the same. 10 75 must be, so final result is 2 plus. Similarly we can operate this formula a minus b for sine as well as cos. We will do when we need. Can I write 10 15 is equal to cot 75? We know when angle sum is 90, cot 10 are equal. As it is cot 15 also. Done? So finally you have to see and you have to remember the value of 15 and 75 as well. We are given that 10 15 is equal to, we are given that 10 15 is equal to x. That means x is equal to 2 minus root 3. So what is 1 by x? 1 by x is 1 by 2 minus root 3. So again make it is 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, and it is a minus b, a plus b, a square, that is 4, root 3 square minus 3. So finally it is 2 plus root 3. Now we have x and 1 by x. So please make x plus 1 by x. It is this and this. If we sum, root 3 get cancel out and it is 4, right? So squaring both side. If we know algebra, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 square minus 2. Let me remind you, if x plus 1 by x is a, then x square plus 1 by x square is a square minus 2. Please remember it. So it is 16 minus 2, that is 14 is my final answer for this question. Now see next, what is 1070? 1070 is equal to, 1070 is equal to, can I write it as 1070 is equal to 1050 plus 20? Okay. Now use a plus b. It is 1050 plus 1020 1 minus 1050, 1020 is equal to 1070, right? A plus B formula use किया. Now cross multiply. It is 10 cross multiply. It is 1070 by 1 and 1070, 1050, 1020 is equal to 1050 plus 1020. By previous we know if angle sum is 90, then 10 into 10 is 1. 1070 into 1020 1 होगा because angle sum is 90. So it is 1070 minus 1050, or we can use as 90 minus 70, but we will use this later, is equal to 1050 plus 1020. So send this here. It is 1070 is equal to minus है तो प्लस हो जाएगा 1050 plus 1020. So 1070 becomes 1050 plus 10. A wheel makes 3.5 rounds in 1 second. In what time it revolves? 55 radians, right? So before doing this, we have to study about radians and degree. So ये basic जो अभी बनाएंगे इसको आपको record करना है, right? Please remember it. So first of all, do some basic things. This is 0, this is 90, 180, 270 and again complete angle is 360. We can write it as pi by 2, it as pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. But 90 is degree and pi by 2 is radian. C stands for notation of radian here. So first of all, we will discuss how to convert degree into radian, radian into degree, and what is 1 radian. Degree is larger than radian, radian is larger than degree. Let's see first of all this. Say from this pi c is equal to 180 degree, right? So 1c, 1 radian is 180 divided by pi, but we know pi is 22 by 7 and 7 upside आ गया. By 2 it is 90, cancel out by 2 and it is 11. So it becomes 360 by 11. It is in degree, right? Okay. And one thing more, what we see in clock, hours, minute and seconds. Similar to this one, in angle, hours is degree, minute is minute and second is second, and the same unit as well. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. Here not hour, 1 degree. We know degree by small 0, minute by single dash, second by double dash. So please take care of this. So 1c, 1 radian is 630 by 11 degree. So make it complete. Divide 360 by 11. It is 57 degree, 16 minutes and approximately 22 seconds by calculating. 1c is equal to 57 degree, 16 minutes, 22 seconds. It is approximately 1c is equal to. Next thing is how to convert. So first of all, degree radian measurement is larger than degree because in 1 radian it is 27 point something degree. So radian is larger than degree. 1 point. And second thing is how to convert degree into radian, radian into degree, right? Okay, let's see. Next thing is, if we have degree measurement and want to convert it into radians, if we multiply degree measurement by pi by 180, it becomes radian. For example, we have 270 degree, then make it in radians. So 270 into pi by 180, so by 90 it is 3, 2. That means 3 by 2 pi. It is in radians now, right? So it is the formula. डिग्री को पाई बाई 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो रेडियन में चेंज होएगा. एंड फ्रॉम हेयर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. इफ वी हैव रेडियंस मेजरमेंट देन 180 बाई पाई से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये डिग्री में चेंज. 2 पाई रेडियन, चेंज इट इनटू डिग्री. So 2 pi into 180 by pi, this becomes 360. By these two, we can convert degree into radian and radian into degree. And we know the value of radian. Now see, what's the definition of radian? Let us consider a circle with the center O and OA is radius, right? From point A, move point B, from point A move to point B as arc length is R. Join OB. So this angle is called 1C, 1 radian. 1 radian means the central angle made by an arc of length equal to radius of circle is 1 radian. प्लीज रिमेंबर इट. त्रिज्या जितनी लंबी चाप द्वारा बनाया गया केंद्रीय कोण 1 रेडियन कहलाता है. सो सर्कल इज ए व्हील, बिकॉज वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सर्कल इज ए व्हील. व्हेन व्हील मेक्स 1 राउंड, व्हेन व्हील मेक्स 1 राउंड, इट रिवॉल्व्स 2 पाई रेडियंस. सो इन 1 सेकेंड इट रिवॉल्व्स, it makes 3.5 rounds. So in 1 second this wheel revolves 2 pi into 3.5. That means 7 pi c means radian. 7 pi radians, right? Now start. 7 pi radians is equal to 7 into 22 by 7. That means 22 radians. Now, in 1 second, this wheel revolves 22 radians. For 22 radians, time required is 1 second. For 1 radian it is 1 by 22, and for 55 radians it is into 55. That means 5 by 2, 11 से कैंसिल करने पर it is 5, it is 2. That means 2.5 second is the answer for this question. See next question. If sin A plus B is 1 by 2 and comma cos A minus B is 1 by 2, then what is the value of A? We know that when sin A plus B is 1 by 2, it means A plus B must equal to 30, because sin 1 by 2 is 30, so A plus B is 30. Again A minus B, cos A minus B is 1 by 2, then A minus B is 60, A minus B is 60, right? Trigonometry में ये सब correct है. But can we see sum of two number is 30 and difference of that number is 60. Here A minus B is 60, it means A is more than 60, and here A plus B is 30, it means A is less than 30. So इस confusion से बचने के लिए देखिए क्या करते हैं. We know that sin is positive in first and second quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, right? In both quadrants sin is positive. Sin 30, let it be 30. X axis horizontal line से 30 degree up, it is sin 30 and sin 30 1 by 2, and it is positive in second quadrant also. So from this horizontal axis, x axis 30 degree above, This is 180, 30 degree above means 150. Sin 150 भी 1/2 ही होगा पॉजिटिव, राइट. सो वी विल यूज 150 in place of 30 because the sake of convenience की a plus b should be greater than a minus b. Now adding these two, 2a is equal to 210, 150 plus 60, a is 210/2, that means 105 degree is answer A. Please note this point, it is important for the solution.